Is the podcast king saying goodbye? MacG drops a bombshell. The podcast and chill founder hints at major changes to his digital empire, and Mzansi is left wondering what's next. Is the king of podcasts retiring, or is this a clever move for a new era? The internet's on fire. MacG's cryptic tweet has sparked a frenzy of speculation. Fans are divided. Some are freaking out, thinking it's the end of an era, while others are excited about potential new shows and fresh talent. The drama's palpable and everyone's on their edge of their seats. The Podcast and Chills Network rise to fame's been a wild ride. MacG's been a game changer in Mzansi's entertainment scene. And these announcements got everyone questioning what's next. Is this a clever marketing move, or is the king really stepping back? The wait's killing us. MacG promised more info soon, and the nation will be tuning in. Will he reveal all, or will the suspense continue? One thing's for sure, this story's got everyone talking. What's your take on MacG's potential retirement? Is this a smart move or a major mistake?